Alright, so I figured before I run this thing for the first time ever on some real stock, I'll give you guys a breakdown of how it's going to work, hopefully. So controller setup, I've set up my X, Y, and Z, so that's X, this is Y, that's Z. I set up all those zeros, and when I zeroed it, that's where the cutter moved to. So it moved to that corner on the stock, which is for me, bottom left corner, or top left corner, right? Okay, so there it is. So now I'm going to turn on the spindle. It's set to about 3,000 RPM. I'm going to turn on this nozzle. So I'm going to start blowing some air at it. It's about 15 psi on the nozzle. Right there. The nozzle is blowing air. Spindle is spinning. Stock is chucked up on some parallel. Vise has already been trammed. Now we take the controller. Looking at the program there. That's an axle block for a Honda 150R. We're going to take this thing over to play. And we're going to hit play, but before I hit play, I have to make sure I got my finger on that red stop button just in case. So I've got my safety goggles on, and we're going to hit play. See what happens. On three. 1, 2, 3. Play. Up. This is scary. Fingers on the stop button. Try to see what it's doing. Facing passes first. Very low depth on the facing passes. I think I set it for about a ½ millimeter each. Looks like the tip evacuation is working really well. I mean, that's a very smooth finish on that delrin. And as this is doing its thing here, you can see that on the computer it's also showing you where it's moving. So this is the facing passes back and forth. Alright, love watching this thing do its thing. Let's see if it crashes at any point, or if we have a successful post-operation. The first thing I'm noticing is that on this left side, it's coming off the stock pretty far. And on the right side, it wasn't coming off the stock very far. It also left a little bit of stock on that very back end. Now it's taking the deeper cut. We're using delrin first because we don't want to break any end mills while I get the speeds and speeds figured out. So here it goes. Mill covers are working well. So I want to see if on the second facing pass it goes all the way past that edge. Quiet air compressor just kicked on. Is still on the red stop button just in case. Yeah, so it still did not get that edge. I have to see what's up with my design. These are the big cuts now. And there we go.